everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Bupa account. Bupa is a British international health insurance and healthcare provision group with over 33 million customers worldwide. To log into Bupa, go to your web browser and type www.bupa.co.uk and enter. From the home page, click on the sign in button on the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, enter your valid email address. In case you don't remember your address, click on forgotten your email address in this link over here. Next, enter a password to your account. In case you forgot the password, click on forgotten your password. After all the account details is filled, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Bupa account. If you don't have an account yet, click on create one and complete the registration process. If you aren't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you'll get instant notification as soon as we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye till then.